Hello, my name is Jan-Pieter Heimgartner from LEDVANCE Benelux. Today I want to show you how the Throughwiring Kit can be installed in the popular damp-proof IP65 luminaires. Damp-proof luminaires are widely used to apply sleek light lines in warehouses and industrial halls. Therefore, simple through-wiring of these luminaires is the biggest saving on installation time and costs. First, we start by opening the cover to get to the connections. To properly install the Throughwiring Kit, the current cable terminal must be removed. The cable terminal is removed in the following manner. After this, install the new cable terminal and insert the just disconnected cables into the new cable terminal in this manner. Put the other side of the cable terminal on the other side of the mounting tray in this manner. The Throughwiring kits are available in two different versions, a version for 1.5 meter and a version for 1.2 meter luminaires. It is also possible to provide LEDVANCE damp-proof housing luminaires, where LED tubes are used with the Throughwiring kit. If you want to know more about our products and what other possibilities are, please contact your LEDVANCE account manager or our customer service department.